Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we'll be making a honey clay mega moisture mask. You'll need kaolin clay, you'll need honey, pomegranate oil, and vegetable glycerin. The best part about this mask is that it doesn't need a preservative. And the honey and glycerin are anhydrous as well as the pomegranate oil. So this mask under testing actually shows very little microbial activity. So it's fabulous if you are looking for a preservative-free option. So we're just going to get started. So let's add our honey to our clay. So a couple of things about honey. You know you have good pure honey if it starts to crystallize. And if it does crystallize, you can reverse that by heating it. So if you heat the honey to boiling and let it cool, it won't ever crystallize again. I can't explain the chemistry behind that. I haven't researched it, but it's just something that I know. So let's mix this in first. It's going to be kind of messy to make this. And really, I'm using a spatula. You want to be careful too with clay that you only use utensils that are not metal. The clay can react with the metal and have some unwanted side effects, mostly color side effects that you don't want. Oh gosh. Well, like I said, it's going to be messy. So we're just going to mix that in there. And it's kind of mixed. We're going to add the pomegranate oil to help mix it. And also the glycerin. We'll just add everything at once. So you may find that you have better luck with this, with mixing this with a KitchenAid type mixer or even an egg beater type mixer. Or if you want to put on gloves, you can also mix with your hands. I'm going to do it the hard way, apparently. Okay, we're just going to keep mixing this until it becomes a nice, lovely clay. Okay, so the spatula was a little rough for me to mix with, so I'm going to go ahead and switch to gloves. There we go. Now I can really get in there. If you're like me, you probably like the sensory experience. But if it's not for you, like I said, you can use a mixer. It's probably less of a mess than I'm making here. But in the end, it's all worth it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there is going to be no problem with this clay sticking to your skin. That's for sure. Oh my gosh. This is really fun to make, I have to admit. And it actually smells really lovely. The honey is just amazing. So this mask is good for skin. It's also good for hair. I may actually try this in my hair. Now, if you find that this, that you think that there's too much clay in this, or you'd like it to be a little bit more flowy, then you can certainly use less clay. I think the clay helps with the stickiness of the honey. The more I work it in here, the less sticky it's becoming. Just work that together. So it's actually like a really interesting texture. You can see like it's got kind of a sheen to it. It's actually really beautiful. I think I might really like this. I think I might have to try this on my hair later. Oh my gosh, that is actually really beautiful, isn't it? Kind of a, it's just kind of cool how it all came together. Really like this one. Okay, I'm going to push this bowl aside and show you what this looks like in a clean bowl. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I think that that's thoroughly mixed. You can see, at first I really thought that maybe this wasn't enough to hydrate all that clay. This was a recipe that our chief formulator found for me and thought we should give it a try, and I think I'm going to be really excited about this. I really love the fact that you don't have to use a preservative, and it's got a really simple ingredient deck. So we hope you really enjoy your new Mega Moisture Honey Clay Mask. Please subscribe to our channel for more great videos, and be sure to click the More button directly below the video for the full recipe. Thanks for joining us.